I have nothing to wear. Oh, but you do. Let's start with that chambray shirt hanging in your closet and dig around with the rest of your closet and see what we can come up with. In today's post, I'm showing you 8 outfits you can create from a simple sleeveless chambray top with items that might already be in your closet. Now, I don't expect you to have all of these items in your closet, but you should have some that are substantially similar. And to start with, I'm just pairing the sleeveless blouse with white ankle pants and bone-colored rubbered sole loafers. These are very comfortable. They have a lot of arch support, and they're made for travel. But this is simple chic at its finest right here. No fuss, no frills, no tucking, by the way, and it still looks fabulous. Now let's expand upon the basic outfit of the chambray top, the white pants, and the black blazer. This outfit demonstrates the fashion 3-color rule. And what that rule says is that no more than 3 colors should be used in any outfit. But here we're using 3 colors together without using prints to create depth, dimension, and interest in the outfit. I love this outfit for a lunch look, brunch, coffee, errands. The shoes are so comfortable. It's elevated and smart, but still casual. This outfit exemplifies that comfort and style can be achieved in the same look. Now let's just switch around those colors. So we're still wearing ankle pants, chambray top, and blazer, but we're moving the white blazer to the top and the black to the bottom. Again, another example of the 3-color rule, but this time I'm going to elevate it slightly with a pair of wedge heels. And these heels are marketed as running heels because they're that kind of comfortable. I hear from ladies in the midlife years that say they don't want to wear heels anymore, or heels are too harsh on their feet, arches, and ankles. So these wedge heels might be an option for you if those are your concerns. I like them because they're just comfortable and they give me a little bit of elevation and a little bit of length. So now we're just going to switch out the ankle pants for a lighter pair of ankle pants. Notice how black creates a visual illusion of weight. Switching it out to beige lightens up the look, gives it a more spring feel. And here's another version of those wedge running heels that are very comfortable. And I love that this outfit is smart and sophisticated and polished, but still a bit casual. Notice that I've not tucked this shirt. You've heard me say it, but I'm going to say it again. You do not have to tuck your shirt to look fashionable. In the midlife years, it's just uncomfortable, and let's be honest, does anyone really like tucking and retucking their shirt every time they go to the restroom? It's just not practical. Now let's take this chambray top and style a little bit more casual look. These are neutral slimming pants or beige slimming pants. They give you some slimming in the front and also a little bit of lift in the back. And the pants are comfortable. They're not uncomfortable, but I would not call them comfort pants. They look fabulous. They're not uncomfortable to wear. And I'm going to just put them with some wedge espadrille heels here for some lift and some length. Again, shirt is still untucked for comfort. And with the untucked shirt, it just gives this more of that easy, breezy, laid-back, effortless style look. And this is a great outfit for lunch, for an outdoor dinner. Now let's switch out the beige crop pants for white crop pants. We're finally in white pants season, and I think I'm ready to wear them now that it's mid-April. And again, the shirt is untucked to create that effortless, easy breezy style look and to create comfort in the outfit. And I've stayed with the espadrille wedges here because they give me some length and also a little bit of lift, giving a slimming effect to my legs. And now for some serious comfort. These linen pants from Amazon are almost like palazzo pants. They feel like pajama pants. They're linen, but I really love them. For sizing reference, I am barely 5'1" with a 26-inch inseam, and these pants come straight to the top of my feet. They're meant to be worn as crop pants, or they're marketed as crop pants, but on me they're the perfect length. And I've added some Amazon brown leather slide sandals and a straw market tote to give it that coastal casual, coastal chic, effortlessly stylish feel. This outfit really looks like I just threw it on and walked out the door and still look fabulous. And to the newest addition to my wardrobe, these chinos are marketed as comfort chinos, and they're wide leg rather than a straight leg or tapered chino. And you may not be able to tell, it's more of a buttery ivory color in person. I think it looks beige on camera, but it's definitely ivory. At any rate, they fit perfectly, especially on the midsection. I am going to do a little bit of a front tuck here just to even out the proportions, but leaving the back undone, and I'll straighten that out. Sometimes you just need that little bit of tuck to get the proportion right for the outfit. Adding some slide sandals and a straw market tote. Effortless chic right here. This is the epitome of that easy breezy style. Until we meet again, my friends.